Greetings, family. The title of this piece is The Power of Sound. Sometimes I wear a dashiki, and yet the nation is not within me. So now it's charging my chakras. Green and yellow produce the best operas. Yellow for the plexus, green for the heart. Personal power and love is where it all starts. At least for me. I'm not trying to bark up the wrong tree. I'm just shining my light. It may be too bright, but that's alright. I spit soft fire, so you can hear my words as I desire. I know I go slow. That's just because I need you to pick up on this flow. Not the flow of the rhymes, the flow of the times. I'm trying to tell you to get out of your mind. I'm trying to expand and help you find your truth. Your truth is as valuable as your youth. And yet we spend our youth running around in circles, trying to outdo the next one. And yet the tax brackets right next to them are the same. We're wasting our time. We have to enlighten and uplift our minds. There's a great majority of us riding the wave. I'm just licking the shores to see who else we can save. Head buried in the sand, you can't breathe. Stand up, man. It's probably because you've never heard our roar. It's probably because you've never seen us before. Or we're done with hiding. The Aquarian age is shining, surrounded by silver linings, birthing reflections reminiscent of sound waves. Sound waves reflect the universe we live in. Oh, I'm sorry. What was that you were listening to again? Be careful. That's how they got us in the first place. Gotta think about the food we're constantly feeding into our brains. I recently learned that words are spells. Transform your words, transform your speech to uplift yourself. It sounds like a joke until you're wide awoke face to face with your manifestations. My goal is to inspire this trait within you. There's no telling what you'd be able to do. Any talent, any skill, any gift, any love hidden within you could be your truth awaiting stimulation. Live it. Don't hide. You just might create a new ride. But some of us are still screaming like Michael and Janet. I scream so hard my throat is sore. What y'all think I sound this deep for? I say, family.